Let's learn how to block someone on TikTok. Surely there have been times when someone on TikTok has annoyed you and you wanted to block them but didn't know how. After watching this video, you will no longer have this problem. The first thing you need to do is open the TikTok app on your phone or computer. Make sure you are logged into the correct account from which you want to block someone. When TikTok is open, you will be on the home page, but you don't need to stay on this page. You need to find the profile of the person you want to block. You can do this by clicking on the search option located in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on this option, a page will open where you need to type in the name of the profile you want to block. Once you've typed it in, click the search button in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking on it, a page will open showing the profile of that person. To enter their profile, you must click on their name. Once you are on their profile, the next step is to click on the share option. The share option is located in the top right corner. When you click on the share option, a menu with multiple options will open, but these options are not useful for this tutorial. There is one option you need, and that is the block option, located at the bottom of that menu. When you click on this option, you have successfully blocked someone on TikTok. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.